Providers need to be clear about what they want their brand to be known for, whether it is the green theme of projecting a negative carbon footprint, luxury, budget, or focus on the customer. It is the same consistent messaging and icon the customer experiences across multiple channels of engagement. The genre needs to stand out and the brand or property be known for it. Providing the seamless, consistent user experience can be implemented across multiple levels of service. Greetings on the website, interactive voice response system, and front desk need to be consistent. Icons on the mobile app or web is the same as signs posted on the properties and vehicles. Behind the front end of icons and greetings, look and feel of the app or website, the consistent choice of colors. It is the middleware and back-end systems that need to be architected in a manner that provides consistent end-user experience, which becomes a reality, not a challenge. Though mergers and acquisitions strengthen the market share and up the revenue of a chain brand, it is a nightmare to integrate disparate systems from an IT standpoint. Such are the reasons as to why brands first issue a new loyalty program number for migrated customers and later merge the two. Marriott's acquisition of Starwood is one of the examples in this category. The architectural challenges that need to be dealt with, from combining enterprise data model to application portfolio consolidation to integrating application and data, just to name a few. The latest trend in architectural approach is microservices that enable scaling the non-performing monolithic applications at the point of influx by breaking them into two and addressing the bottleneck through a microservice. To enable consistency across enterprise brands and lines of business, a standardized enterprise data model can be stood up as the information architecture. In response to a query, microservices can search for several hundred data sources and assemble a choreographed response. Depending on the context of the query and curated knowledge of the location of data sources, AI embedded within the user experience layer can bypass most of the middle layers and directly expose data from the backend, leveraging backends for frontends microservices pattern. The standardized enterprise data model defines a unique meaning for each reserved word, and these definitions are maintained in a business glossary. Across multiple brands and lines of business systems, the generic business object of the standardized data model is mapped to application-specific business objects. While interacting with an outside or partner application, a standardized canonical model inherited from the enterprise data model is invoked to map business objects from one system to another, retaining the referential integrity within the application and enabling interoperability. Self-service from a smart device is increasingly becoming the norm as the system of engagement for a tech-savvy customer. So it is important that NLP, chatbot, video, and text from the smart device are all interactively interpretable in real time, and a futuristic HMS is capable of handling such interaction. With the objective to take an interaction all the way to resolution, a successful futuristic HMS platform needs to exceed customer expectations by anticipating questions ahead of time and be standing by with ready answers. Alternatively, if the questions are anticipated, an answer towards resolution can be proactively communicated. If the hotel is going to be out of water, a power outage mandated, or a fire drill is to be executed, residents can be proactively informed in advance so that they can address the situation in a timely manner by preparing for it. As technology evolves, so does the user expectation for a more delightful and less painful experience. We are all gradually moving towards an AI-first paradigm, where we expect the resolution right there and then from the app on the device. No one prefers to call the service desk and be put on hold or be annoyed by an interactive voice response system to which you have to provide a bunch of responses, and if lucky, might be able to move to the next step. If one is outside of the regular hours, they are mostly out of luck. AI-first self-help systems are 24/7, are mostly automated, and able to handle a variety of scenarios from questions in any language to complex queries. While the need for an expert human representative may not be completely done away with several years to come, as AI systems learn from their interactions with customers over a wide variety of topics, we can foresee the increased shift from call centers to automated self-service.